So you want to use a teleprompter, but you're not quite sure how to go about it, what to use, what's best, how to make it simple so that it doesn't get in the way of you recording videos. So what should you use? Well, I've used a few, and today I'm going to cover the Parrot Padcaster Teleprompter. This is my absolute favourite teleprompter. It's the one that gets used because it's not a faff to set up. It's simple, it's straightforward, and it works. Before I get into showing you how it's set up and how it works, let me just tell you that you don't always need a teleprompter. If you do, it'll help you initially get confidence that you know what you're going to say. You just have to read it, and you can still look directly into the camera. In fact, you have to look directly into the camera because that's where the teleprompter words appear. But remember, you don't have to. You don't have to do it all in one shot, all in one go. I'm not using a teleprompter now. I'm not reading the words. Creating a seamless video is what editing's for. So remember that. However, if you want the confidence that a teleprompter gives you, which may be particularly useful if you're doing lots and lots of reading out, especially very technical stuff, then this video will help you. So let's get straight into it.
So what you get is you get a cleaning cloth, you get a remote control, on-off switch here at the back, and a connection switch for Bluetooth, which connects to your phone. You get a bag of rings of all different sizes to fit your camera lens. This is the one I'm using, which is a 46mm size. And you get this bit which fits on the front of your camera using that ring. Let me show you. You can see it's a sort of almost reflective glass, and then at the bottom there's a bit of spring bit that you pull down to put your phone in. Let me show you how that works. So the first thing to do is you need to fit this onto your lens, and it just screws on like that really easily. And then you take this part and slide it onto the front of the camera, like so. Then the next thing you need to do is to get your phone, and on here you will have a Parrot app which you can download. It's free, and that has all your scripts in. Okay, and the way you get those in, or the way that I get them in, is I use the free version of Dropbox, which is more than sufficient for this, and upload all my documents into Dropbox. Now you need to upload them in plain text, so if you create them in Word, you need to save it as a .txt file or as a plain text file. Once you've done that, you then upload it to Dropbox. This app in the settings connects to Dropbox, and you'll see at the top it says sync with Dropbox. So all you need to do is, once you've uploaded the documents and connected, click on sync with Dropbox, and it will sync all your, as you can see, please wait. That's it, it's synced all my documents. Then when I want to go into, when I want to go into a document, I just, let's say that one. That's it. Click on it, and you'll see it's reversed. So you have these settings in here. So I'll put it in mirror mode at the moment. So, for example, there's my script. Set the margins all the way. You can set. I set the maximum, so it appears more in the middle. And then you can set your size of the text. Okay. So I wear glasses for reading, so I have it quite. I can't read that far away with my glasses on, so I have it reasonably big, and I don't wear my glasses for doing it because it's quite a distance away. And then you can change the speed here. So I have it at the moment, it's on 48 words a minute. You just need to trial and error that, test it, see what works for you. Not too slow, not too fast, but it can run away with itself if you have it too fast. Okay, so the next thing you need to do, in fact you could do this before you went into this app, is to connect your Bluetooth. So in Bluetooth, in whatever phone you've got, alright, I've got Bluetooth remote. I'll turn it on, and this is a bit of a quirk. So I'll turn on the switch at the back up, and it won't connect. So what I have to do every time, and this is a bit of a pain, is to click on there and then choose forget device. And it's gone there. Now, what I need to do is put my phone down a second. And on the back of this remote, there's a connect button. I need to press that with something small like that. And then once I've done that, you'll see it then appears here as a Bluetooth device. So I click on that, and now it's connected. So I can then go back to my Parrot, because when you put the phone into the Parrot, it will reflect it. You need to have the put mirror mode on. All right, and then, so what you need to do now, put your phone in here. You'll see which way is right when you look at the reflection on the glass. Pull that down, put your phone in. Now, not all the buttons work very well on here, but if you just use the bottom part, the up button, the down button for scrolling up and down, and the OK button works for pause and play. So, at the moment, I don't know if you can actually see that. Let me just see if I can move this around. Okay. There's the script. Okay, now I can scroll back up, scroll down, which takes me back to the start. Anyway, let's imagine that's the start. Okay, rather than you watching me scroll for 5 minutes. And then I can just press play, and then I'm reading, but I can look straight into the camera. And that's quite a slow speed. But if I say, finally, in order to help you, think about future complementary. The text is too big and the speed is too slow. So I'd have to make the text smaller and speed it up a little bit. 48 is around about a bit too slow. I normally use about 58 per minute, but do what works for you. Anyway, that's how the Parrot Teleprompter works. Remember to switch this off on the back, like that when you're finished, so the battery doesn't run down. And I hope that's helpful.
So you see, it's not too difficult. It's a great piece of kit. And if you want to buy it, I'll put a link down below in the description. Let me know what you think. Give me some comments. What do you think? Is this the best teleprompter to use? Do you have other options? Other recommendations? Let me know. Also, I'd love it if you'd subscribe and ring the bell so that you get notified when new videos come along. I hope you found that useful. If you did, take a look at some of my other videos here, which I hope you'll find just as useful. I'll see you in the next video.